Okay, scholars, today we're going to do the blends with the consonant R. Okay, so the sound R is always R, as in red or royal or Ronald. Okay, so the R says Now we're going to add a consonant in front of that. So BR would say burr, as in brown or broom. We have CR, as in crayon. We have DR, as in dry. We have FR, as in fry. GR, as in green. PR, as in, parade. And then TR, as in train. Okay, so we have broom, cry, drum, frog, grapes, pretzel, truck. All right, we're going to read this story and then we're going to go on a hunt for our words that have the R blend. So I'm going to read it first and then we'll go back and find our R blends. I like crayons. I love to draw trucks with the brown crayon. I love to draw frogs with the green crayon. The frog has a crown. The frog has a pretty dress. She is a frog princess. The frog princess drives a truck. So let's look at the first one. I like crayons. So do you see an R blend? Yep, right there, CR. Good job. All right, let's come over here to this one. I love to draw trucks with the brown crayon. So Ms. Esther sees 4. Do you see 4 R blends? I see draw. Yep. I see truck. I see brown. And I see crayon. Did you find all 4 of those? Good job. All right, let's go to the next one. I love to draw frogs with the green crayon. So again, draw, frog, and then green, and then crayon. Awesome job. All right, the frog has a crown. So I see the FR right here, and I see the CR right here. The frog has a pretty dress. She is a frog princess. So I see frog, pretty, dress, frog, princess. All right, and then the last one, the frog princess drives a truck. Again, frog, FR, prince, drives, and then truck. Awesome job, scholars. All right, so next you're going to be doing a Nearpod where you are going to be looking at the picture and writing the correct blend in the front of the word to finish the word, okay? And remember, it's an R blend. So is it CR, BR, TR, FR, DR, or PR? Okay, so head on over to the Nearpod to complete that assignment.